I have applied for listing for admission on 20 or 21st of this month.
What is your subject matter?
Matter is that the House Committee of India has collected some excess amount from the House pilgrimage, and I am praying to return this amount.
Give it to the court master.
Lord.
Yes. It will go in September. By Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. C. Paul, Learned Standing Counsel. Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. K.P. Pathak, Learned Standing Counsel, APDC, to list on another date. First, high level, list the case accordingly on so and so.
17 September.
Stream 23, the interim order. If any passed earlier, shall continue till the next total listing.
1709.
May it please, Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Lordship. Matter is 2020, Lordship.
Please give it to the court master.
May it please, Your Lordship. I am praying for listing of an unlisted motion matter at 2 p.m. Miller.
What is the urgency?
Eviction matter, Miller.
Huh?
Eviction matter, Miller.
When the notice was served?
Notice was 18 to notice was served on 10/7/2026, and they have replied, but no steps was taken. No response was given on their reply, but they are threatening that the petitioners will be dispossessed from the concern.
If time permits.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of 3 writ petitions, lordship. Lordship.
On what subject matter?
Lordship, my petitioner's bank accounts has been freezed in connection with an investigation. But lordship, it has been more than 1 year, lordship.
Okay.
By DCCI.
Give it to the court master.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for motion.
Motion?
Lordship.
Yes. Why it will not come in regular way? What is the urgency?
Lordship, we are challenging order which was passed in pursuant to notification number 56. GST matter, Lordship.
It is normal. It will come. Definitely after 1 year or 2 years. What is the impugn order?
2024. Lordship.
24. After 2 years. Now it is sudden urgency. It will come in a regular way.
Yes, Lordship.
Daily list for motion. Item 1.
Yes, Mr. Islam.
My pleasure. It's a violation of the Honorable Court's order dated, Your Lordship.
What violation?
90 days time is granted. In this a case that relates to issuance of caste certificate, STP, and 90
The
days.
petitioner stands allowed by directing the source of the study. If follow the procedure, doubt, and issue a call for the inquiry in a manner. Okay, heard Mr. S. Islam and counsel for the petitioner. This contribution is filed alleging non-compliance of the direction made in an order dated 16/3/2026. Past senior writ petition. WBC number 2914/2025. It is averred that a copy of the order dated 16/3/2026 was duly served upon the respondent. Post of issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Steps speed post.
Obvious.
2 working days.
Obvious.
Item 2.
May it please your lordship. My instruction was only call from my lord. On one occasion, there was failure.
Okay, we have received the instructions. We have been directed to bring the instructions whether why this order has been passed.
Yes.
That order is regarding that subsequent time Mazam Ali approached the higher court for resolving the dispute. Now it is sub judice. Accordingly.
Yes.
Accordingly, Lordship, your Lordship has directed us to get the instruction. What is that case about? We have received that instructions, Lordship. One title suit regarding the same plot of land was initiated by the petitioner himself, wherein this Mazam Ali is also a party.
No, it is already there in the record.
Because of that, Lordship.
No. come to,
We have been directed to bring the instruction. What is that case? From the letter, Lordship, I am.
no, not letter. You read the order of this court on 27, 2026.
On the basis of that, Lordship, one letter was sent from our side because I have not gone
The
through that.
trial suit, title suit, 12
Yes.
stroke 2020 of 2014.
Yes,
Based on a compromise petition jointly by all the parties to title suit, Mazhar Mali also included,
yes,
right? Trial court disposed of suit on compromise, holding that a decree of specific performance of contract be passed in favor of the plaintiff, that is petitioner. And Mazhar Mali was also a party to the compromise petition. Where is the decree? Come to page 40 of the reported petition.
I'm sorry, Lordship, I am relying on the letter. It was written.
No, that is why if you rely
Yes,
on
Lordship.
letter or order of circle officer and don't apply
Yes,
your,
Lordship. Lordship, yes. He
Then
has rightly sent Lordship.
on the basis of this decree, the sale deed has been executed in favor of the plaintiff. In all throughout, Mazhar Mali was a party, right?
Lordship.
So sale deed was executed,
Page
then
55.
sale deed was registered also,
Yes,
registered.
on 7/12/2022.
Come to page 54
The order,
of the trial court.
yes.
Decree holder is represented, that is this petitioner. Judgment number, judgment letter 2 is also represented.
Lordship.
He is, I
Yeah.
think, Mazhar Mali.
Then Lordship, it can be disposed of, Lordship.
But why he is saying sub
Lordship,
judice?
Lordship.
We want to know
Yes.
if he has gone for some appeal
Yes, Lordship.
against compromise decree. Then if that judgment is challenged,
Cannot-
because he has written something, we want to be sure. And come to page 55.
Yes, Lordship.
This
Yes,
is the court executed
Yes,
sale deed, right?
yes, Lordship.
That is why I pass a detailed order recording the facts, but still want to know, this court wants to know why circle officer is sitting over a decree of the trial court.
Lordship.
Now, what is he saying?
No, Lordship, on the basis of our
What is he
letter,
saying? What
Lordship,
he is saying?
on the first page,
Circle
Lordship.
officer.
First page, Lordship. That,
Rahul? Who is Rahul Bhakandokar?
He is the defendant number 1.
Huh?
He is the
Defendant number 1.
owner of the land.
Rahul Bhakandokar. Who is recorded patadar, submitted an application wherein he played for stopping of the process of sale permission. Sale permission and mutation. Fact number 194.
I have checked, Lordship. That is the right number.
Measuring 5 bighas. He is concerned, petitioner is concerned with 1 bigha
Yes.
out of that 5 bigha.
That application I have annexed my link, page 66, the Barnagola in my petition.
Receipt number one. Just a minute. What is the degree? It's 40. 2019. 2019. Come to read, Mr. Sharma, read page 54.
Page 54. The decree holder is represented.
That is
Judgment,
petitioner.
yes. The
Judgment
judgment
letter-
debtor number 2 is also
Majom Ali.
represented. Majom Ali.
Next.
Judgment debtor number 1 filed a petition, Bhait number so and so, praying for seeking further time to submit objection and for payment of amount ordered by this court.
Rahul Hok Karma.
Lordship.
Khandagar.
Learned counsel for the decree holder submitted that with the consent of all the parties, the decree was passed and accordingly final decree of sale is submitted in the court. Then the judgment debtor number 1 filing petitions to delay the execution, therefore the petition is rejected.
Then
Considering above situation, it is found that the judgment debtor number 1 intentionally delaying the execution of the deed of sale without any reasonable ground. The said conduct of the judgment debtor number 1 is amount to refusal of execution of the registered sale deed. Hence, the decree holder is entitled to get registered sale deed through the office of the court. Therefore, the Nazir is directed to execute the registered sale deed on behalf of the judgment debtor number 1 in due course of time by taking necessary steps. A copy of the order is to be furnished to the concerned Nazir as well as the sub-register Gwalpara for information and necessary action.
now let us turn to next page.
The registered sale.
Yes,
Right?
Right.
This is the registered sale deed.
Lordship.
Then come to
Sabri.
this page 65.
The circle officer, this is Rahul Khandokar, to stop sale purchase of the land described below. With due respect, I beg to state that I am the joint patadar of a plot of land measuring 5 bighas 8 lasses covered by dag number so and so of so and so Musalpara Avenue village under the Lakshmipur Avenue circle. The court has taken my signature as a seller of my share land measuring 1 bigha of the aforesaid dag, but registration has not been given as no money has been given to me. But now it is seen that in the said dag, Jahangir Hussain is trying to mutate his name. So it is necessary to stop sale purchase of the mutation of the land of the said dag.
Then come to 67.
This is the application, Lordship, online. Application for mutation after the registration, Lordship.
Then page 68.
Submitted an application paid to stop the land sale permission and mutation against Myadipatta, land measuring so and so. Whereas after perusal of the report of the concerned LRA of the circle, the undersigned decided to hear the matter as per following schedule. Yes, Lordship, date is fixed.
Then next.
That-
Jahangir Hussain.
Yes.
Cave application. Then page 77. The key holder.
Execution of the compromise deed. By an application that is shown to the undersigned paid for mutation of land measuring 1 bigha so and so. Dag number so and so by virtue of a registered sale deed 22 on the basis of the deed of compromise dated 15/9/2019 and subsequent compromise judgment dated 26/4/2019 and decree dated 2/5/2019 passed in title suit number 12 of the 2014 civil judge.
Now,
You-
page 80, 91.
Yes,
Impugn order.
91.
Impugn order.
91 page 90.
This Majum Ali. Majum Ali,
Yes, whereas both parties' statement perused in deeper analysis, it was found that there is another party involved in the dispute, Mazam Ali, who also purchased 1 bigha of land from the same dag, and in subsequent time, Mazam Ali approached the higher court for resolving the dispute. Now it is sub judice. Therefore, now the court of the undersigned, being a lower court, leaves it to the higher court for resolving the matter. That the case is disposed of without any order or opinion.
now come to page 38.
38. তুমি এটা মোক এই কপিটো দিবা হে
Page 38.
লর্ডশিপ Plaintiff Jahangir Hussain is present. Defendant Rahul Khandokar, legal heir of Harun Haq Khandokar and Mazam Ali are present. Since the compromise petition jointly filed
By both the parties.
Lordship to the said suit, praying for disposal of this suit on compromise on the following terms. That a decree be passed declaring that the sale deed number so and so is perfectly executed by Harun Haq Khandokar in favor of the defendant number 2.
Majum Ali.
Yes.
Lordship 2. And so he is entitled to land mentioned in Schedule A of the compromise petition. That a decree of specific performance of contract be passed in favor of the plaintiff in respect of the land in Schedule B.
Petitioner.
Lordship. Directing the defendant number 1. That is to
Then 3.
execute the registered sale deed in favor of that the decree be passed declaring that the plaintiff is entitled to access the consideration.
Plaintiff will be entitled to receive 2 lakh from the,
Lordship.
Judgment date.
then
This
4.
Rahul Khandokar.
Yes.
That a decree be passed declaring that the plaintiff is entitled to a road with a breadth of 20 feet from the PWD road to the southwest of the southern side of the land in Schedule A, provided the measurement of the said land required for road should be adjusted from his land in Schedule B to the land of the defendant number 2. Heard both parties peruse the record. The compromise petition is duly signed by both the parties, marked as X. In view of the above terms of the agreement, the suit is disposed of on compromise. No order as to the cost. If your lordship comes to that, the instructions which I have received, here lordship, the Mazam Ali lordship, he has placed before the circle officer that display
That is why I asked
lordship.
in the on 20/07/2026 what this which sub judice case Mazum Ali has referred to and placed before him, because he is a party to the compromise and decree has also been passed in his favor for 1 bigha.
Yes, lordship.
And normally, unless exceptional case is made out,
Lordship.
something is a challenge to a compromise decree is not maintainable. But why he is taking so much interest?
Lordship. This Mazam Ali has placed this title suit 12/2014. Earlier, lordship, regarding that compromise, he has not placed. From the instruction.
That is why I have
Lordship.
passed a detailed order after spending time for half an hour. He is still trying to delay the matter. Why he is doing
No,
so?
lordship.
Let him come then.
No, lordship, it's fault on our part, lordship. The letter which was not specifically mentioned regarding your lordship's order. I will get it,
I
lordship.
have passed a detailed 3-page order.
Lordship, I will get it. I will get it, lordship. As
He
because
is trying to get a share of that 2 lakh or what?
order, lordship, it should have been communicated, lordship. It was not been communicated, and that is why, lordship, the whole.
The petitioner, I think he is a practicing advocate of this court.
Fine.
Plaintiff, he has taken recourse to law.
I will get it,
Is a
Lordship. By next
practical
week,
rule.
by next week, Lordship, I will get it.
This is not done, otherwise everything is settled.
Lordship. Lordship, I will get it.
Old decree 2025, Majum Ali decree has been passed in his favor for 1 bigha. He is in, a man perhaps is in hand in glove with the defendant perhaps in collusion. It appears.
I will get it, Lordship. By next week, Lordship may fix a date, Lordship, I will get it, Lordship. As reflected by your Lordship
Heard
earlier
Mr.
order.
P.J. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. A. Aforesaid, learned standing counsel revenue department.
Nahin.
For response number 1 and Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate Assam for the response number 2 and 3. Full stop. Mr. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate, submitted that he has received instruction from response number 3, in deference to the order dated 20/07/2026. Space. The instruction he has received from response number 3 on 4/8/2026 with a submission that he has permission to place the same. First up, on going through the instruction, this court finds that instructions to place have not addressed the aspects indicated in the order dated 20/07/2026. First up, 2 issues we asked: whether any proceeding before any higher court instituted by Majum Ali is presently pending or not, and whether in such proceeding any restraint order has been passed for not mutating the subject plot in favor of the petitioner. Clear,
Lordship.
Mr. Sharma
Friday.
has sought for another opportunity to obtain clear instructions in the matter, clear instructions in deference to the order dated 20/07/2020. Release the case on when?
Next Friday.
14th August, 1408.
Well, can it be before 14? There's election, my lord, 14. Election, but
After that.
Monday, next.
always.
Item 3.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, this matter relates to land acquisition process, my lord, and on the last occasion, lordship asked me to file the notification issued by under the NH Act, my lord. I have filed one additional.
What is the main issue raised?
My lord, my main issue is that, my lord, although the authority has paid the compensation, my lord, but on coming to know about the compensation, the petitioner case is that his whole structures, there is first floor and my lord, one Assam type house, that is not assessed, my lord. So I have
This
filed one.
additional affidavit is not provided to us, Lordship. It's not here.
I've received Lordship additional.
Let us see.
Lordship, thing is that Lordship, he had received one amount, Lordship. Kindly peruse page 60,
Yes, sir.
paragraph 6, Lordship.
Yes, it.
Yes. Lordship,
20 lakh
just-
something.
Lordship, if that is inadequate, Lordship, he is
No,
to
no.
approach the
Wait,
arbitrator.
no. Question is that compensation is assessed
Yes,
for market value of the land
yes,
as well as the structures existing on the land acquired.
Lordship.
I think his complaint is that the structure that is a 2-story building has not been assessed. Right. if it has missed assessment, that is one matter. That is why court wants to find out whether his building has been assessed. If building has been assessed and it has been assessed inadequately,
Lordship.
he has a different forum.
Yes.
But it has not been assessed. Whether that has been included or not in your award, that is what he has said.
Lordship.
I received suddenly 2 lakh rupees
Lordship.
20 lakhs.
in my bank account.
Lordship.
That is your case?
Yes.
Lordship. But Lordship, in paragraph 6, Lordship is stated that said amount is inadequate.
Right. But the whole case is that his building, where is that?
Paragraph 4, I have stated mine. And to that effect, I have also submitted the representation. Para 4, my lord.
So otherwise you have a duty, the competent authority has a duty to place the
Yes.
calculation statement.
Lordship.
Now, what procedure you adopt normally, you just give the money, keeping the calculation statement a guarded secret.
No, Lordship, that
What is the difficulty?
No, Lordship, I have no difficulty. That is to be by the Kala, Lordship, competent authority. We are only the payment making authority, Lordship.
If building is assessed, then we are out.
Yes.
It will be the arbitrator.
Lordship.
But if the building is not assessed, then he has a right
Yes,
under Article 300A.
Lordship.
That is why we are scratching our head since he has raised a dispute. But we have found in all the cases,
Yes.
competent authority keeps the calculation statement, award statement, a guarded secret, as if it is a very
Lordship.
Lordship, we are only the payment making authority, Lordship. We have deposited the amount before the account of.
But
Kala.
you also have the custody. You don't disburse the amount, keeping your eyes closed.
No, Lordship, but whether it is Lordship assessed or not, that is on the.
If you
Kala side, Lordship.
find that, oh, building is not assessed, oh, we are saved of money, it has disbursed. That is your modus operandi. That is why, despite the instruction of the court, neither competent authority nor NHAI nor NHIDC will place the compensation statement before the court. Under 3G, it is not a guarded secret. We want to see whether a building has been assessed. If building has been assessed, we'll close the writ petition. Asking him to go before the arbitrator, that is all, that's only what we want to know. Nothing else.
I will place it. अरे तुमने additional affidavit कौन दिया? नहीं दिया।
Okay. Heard. Mr. A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner. If it is assessed, we will dispose of it in the motion stage. No point keeping this
Lordship.
pending. Mr. Talder will before
Lordship. Respond of court.
CGC, anybody? Okay. Ms. Ann Bordoloi, Standing Counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the response number 1. Mr. 2. Mr. Richard Kaluka, Standing Counsel. Standing Counsel, NHIDC for the response number 1 and 4. Ann Bordoloi 2. Mr. H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 3
And 5.
5. Any PWD? No.
Yes.
Para. Mr. Gupta, come to 3D notification.
3D, my lord, it starts from page 58. Relevant will be page 73, my lord.
Just a minute.
Number 9.
It starts at page 58.
8, my lord.
Okay. In a land acquisition process initiated by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, under the provisions of the National Highways Act 1956. The notification for the project, code, page 58. Building within bracket widening stroke 4 laning, etc. Bracket close, maintenance, management and operation of NH 37 in the stretch of land from KM 4.560 to KM 24.560, Silsor within bracket Kachar, bracket close, in the district of Kachar in the state of Assam, the project. The notification under subsection 2 of section 3D was published on 6/3/2024. Full stop. Serial number
175, page number 73.
by the said notification, the following plot of land, belonging to the petitioner stood vested in the central government free of all encumbrances. A page 73, 175 to para. It is the case of the petitioner that on the subject land covered by Rag number 480 under second under arrest pattern number 132. Second Rangpur part 1, there is an existing double-storied RCC building along with an Assam type structure in the front portion. Full stop. It is a specific case of the petitioner that assessment of those structures standing on the subject plot has not been made for payment of Zirat compensation, right? Where is your case?
Yes, only the the one portion of the building as well as the Assam type structure. The entire,
Okay. In the acquisition, it is the case of the petitioner in the acquisition process, a part of the two-storied RCC building and the Assam type structure deemed to be affected. So, but the respondent authority, more particularly, the competent authority, land acquisition, did not assess the affected structure existing on the subject plot towards payment of Zirat compensation. That is the case. If it is included in the compensation statement, then petitioner is out. He has to go before the arbitrator. Mr. In order to find out whether the case of the petitioner is to be proceeded further, it appears necessary to have a look at the calculation statement made by the competent authority, Kala, under section 3G, within bracket 1 of the National Highways Act, post of Mr. Gupta submitted that the petition has never been furnished with the calculation statement under section 3G1. But, post of, at any point of time, but only an amount of rupees
20 lakh
20 lakh
8,944.
has been credited to the bank account of the petitioner on
On my lord, 11/5/2026.
11/5/2026. Post of. In view of the above contention made by the petitioner, comma, Mr. Sharma and it additional senior government advocate appearing for the state respondents, appearing for, who is the Kala?
ADC. Respondent number.
ADC or somebody else?
Respondent number 3, my lord, the district commissioner.
District Commissioner, Kala is always, Kala additional district.
Come to page, Mr. You don't do the homework or what? Mr. Gupta, come to page 29. Third para. Page 29. I am discussing it. Why I should
Additional
spend time?
deputy commissioner.
Why I should spend time?
I'm sorry, my lord.
He is not a party here.
Why I should spend time?
Sorry, my
And
lord.
I have been provided a copy with only 24 pages.
I'm sorry, my lord, the additional deputy.
First you file writ petition, additional affidavit. Why court should spend time for this?
I'm sorry for that.
What? Sorry is a word invented by English in England. One letter word.
Okay.
Why I was spending so much time, Mr. Gupta? Clear, competent authority, additional deputy commissioner. What to do? Close this petition.
The client will suffer, Lordship. Let him withdraw and fresh afresh, Lordship. That's because my copy is only 24 pages. Your Lordship is referring.
Only
The-
24 pages.
In that case, Lordship, it is difficult on our part to get the instruction.
The brief is of 117 pages.
My lord, the writ petition was initially 20.
Huh?
No, my lord, writ petition is 24 pages. Then I have filed the additional affidavit.
Writ petition is 24 pages. It is
Additional affidavit, Lordship, our
it's,
the case starts from 17.
necessary to so and so. From the notification dated 2/2/2024 of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, issued under Section 3A, capital A, bracket 9A, 3A, within bracket 1 of the NH Act. It is evident that the competent authority land acquisition for the project under reference is the additional deputy commissioner. But due to negligence on the part of the petitioner, the competent authority land acquisition has not been made a party respondent in this writ petition. Without the absence of the competent authority land acquisition as a party respondent, it would not be proper to proceed further with the writ petition. Cost, we amend to file amended cost title, because we have spent time, 1 hour, on 2 days. subject to deposit of 2,000. That will be a signal. For, in the interest of justice, the petitioner is permitted to file an amended cost title for implement of the competent authority land acquisition for the project, that is the additional deputy commissioner, which district? Kachar district, as party respondent number 7 in this writ petition. We, in terms of amended, in terms of notification number so and so, within a period of 3 working days from today, along with a cost of rupees 2,000. Full stop. On filing of the amended cost title and the cost the registry shall carry out the necessary correction in the cost title as well as in the CIS. Also, transmit the amount to the account of the Gauhati High Court Bar Association. Place the case on next Friday.
14th August, 1408.
I am giving it to your benefit.
Cost is to be deposited before the.
Registry will transmit.
Item number 4, with supplementary list, item 32.
Aye. Mr. Das is for what?
Meghali.
Milord, on last occasion, Learned Council was directed to take instructions from respondent number 3. And in this respect, I have filed one IA that one correction is needed, that respondent number 3 has been in the writ petition.
Read petition.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
Read as sub-register Gwalpara, but instead of
Okay.
this, correct reading is that sub-register Lakhipur Gwalpara.
Okay, heard Mr. S.C. Das, Learned Counsel for the applicant, read petitioner. Miss Anne Bodoloi, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the OP number 1 and 2.
Sub-register Lakhipur Guwahati.
1 and 2. And Mr.
Me too.
Miss Dr. H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent OP number 3, and Miss
Instructions ahan hai.
A. Jain, Learned Counsel on behalf of B. Learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 5. O. H. Sharma,
3 and 5.
3 and 5. First of the applicant, this application is filed seeking correction in the cost title, seeking correction in the description of the respondent number 3 in the cost title of the accompanying writ petition. First up, the applicant as the writ petitioner has preferred the accompanying writ petition, seeking certain directions to the respondent authorities. Or marriage,
Yes, ma'am.
seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to register the marriage of the petitioner. First up, but it is averred in this application that due to inadvertence, the description of the respondent number 3 in the accompanying writ petition is mentioned only first of instead of and the respondent number 3 ought to have been quote the sub-register
Sub-register Lakhipur Gwalpara.
sub-register Lakhipur para 5 Gwalpara, Assam, PIN 783-129 instead of quote the sub-register Gwalpara, Assam, pin 783-121. Pin ke code kita belag de. Unquote. Also. The learned counsel appearing for the opposite parties have submitted that they have no objection. Or if the prayer made in this interlocutory application is allowed, as such correction is for in the interest of justice. In view of the above, government, the instance application is allowed for, and therefore, to stop therefore, the applicant petitioner is to file an amended cost title before the receive in 2 working days from today. And on, in terms of so and so on submission of the amended cost title, registry to carry out the necessary correction in the cost title in the accompanying petition as well as in the CIS post of in the writ petition in view of the order. In view of the order they passed today in I number so and so. Please the case again on another day next week. Any no improvement before the sub register is not inclined.
No, they have approached twice and
Yes, Mr. Sharma, you get the instruction.
Lordship, I will get the instruction.
And he-
Why?
Because that circle officer is from Lakshmipur. So
No,
same place,
same.
Lordship, I will get it.
Why
I have
he is
already
delaying?
collected the phone
Why
number.
he is
he
delaying?
is
Lordship.
insisting that parents should be there.
Huh?
Parents should be
He is
there.
a Kazi or what?
It is a clear
I
violation.
have
of the
collected the
sections of,
phone number, Lordship, I will get it.
Special Maharaj Act.
Next.
Data.
14th August, 1408. Item 5.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have this.
Hmm.
My lord.
Positive or negative?
Positive, my lord.
Positive.
It's also balanced, negative also, positive also, ma'am. Why that the petitioner's name was not sent, my lord?
I
to the-
like to enclose a copy of the letter received from Sudip to Dr. Edition Study. Okay. It is pointed to plaintiff. Plaintiff, okay, was elected as so and so.
Wrongly.
Again,
Plaintiff.
accordingly, he was removed from the post of however, present to order dated so and so. Now you have to get the instruction from
My lord,
government.
sanction is required, my lord. Because, my lord, if lordship, I want to show the law regarding the payment, my lord.
But if it is set aside, set aside.
Yes,
Set
that
aside,
information
then it
was
goes.
not available with the.
So from the very initiation, it is bad.
My lord, lordship, I kindly have section 71 first, my lord. Page 78, if I'm holding the same book.
Page
71, 78. May I read, my lord? Allowances of the president and vice president and sitting fee and allowances of the member. The allowances of the president and vice president shall be as may be prescribed by the government. Every member of the Zilla Parishad except the president and vice president shall be entitled to receive such sitting fee and allowances as may be prescribed by government. Now prescription is in the, my lord, the rule. Rule is, my lord, the administrative rule, my lord. Rule 13, page 271. May I read, my lord?
Just a
Page-
minute.
Yes, 271.
Yes.
Rule 13, remuneration of non-officials of Zilla Parishad and sitting allowances to member. As under section 71(1) of the Assam Panchayat Act, the president and Zilla Parishad, the president of Zilla Parishad shall be entitled to a monthly remuneration of so and so, rupees so and so, out of the devolution of fund to the Zilla Parishad and Zilla Parishad's own resources. For all the members, president, vice presidents, my lord, actually, this is the rule, my lord, the law, my lord, that they have to pay, my lord, from the devolution fund to the each and every parishad, my lord, and our Zilla Parishad's own resources. Now, thereafter, my lord, what happened? Numbers of members, they have filed writ petitions, my lord, claiming that those, my lord, the funds, my lord, were not available, so remuneration was not paid to them, my lord. Thereafter, honorable court, my lord, directed the government to release amounts in the devolution fund so that salaries can be released, my lord. This petitioner, my lord, before that, my lord, he was because of no confidence motion, he was out of the, my lord, job, my lord, and thereafter he was reinstated by court's order,
Now, page 42,
my lord,
Chief Executive Officer,
my lord,
he prepared a statement
my lord.
for 1,06,667.
Yes, yes,
Now, from your instruction, now Commissioner has also admitted.
yes, yes.
Now
So
it is
now
for
he
the
will
government.
get, my lord. Yes.
So why we should keep it pending?
Lordship may
Within a period
dispose
of
of
3
it.
months.
I was suggested to that only, my lord. Lordship may dispose of, my lord, giving some time, my lord. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. Jiuddin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Counsel.
Well.
Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Government of Assam, for the response number
1, 3, 5,
134.
6, and 7.
135.
1, 3, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay. Mr. H. M. Huya, Standing Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance and Taxation, Finance Department, Government of Assam, for the response number 2. And Mr. H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, for the response number 4. Post office. The petitioner, who was the president of Maj Gram Gaon Panchayat, District Sri Bhumi, Assam, by filing this writ petition, has sought for a direction for disbursement of his area honoring or remuneration? Remuneration amounting to rupees 1,06,667 for a period from February 2022 to January, 2024. Post up. From the materials on record, it is noticed that the secretary of Mazgaon Gram Panchayat, within bracket, response number 7.
Mais gram.
Mais gram. Silo, buddy. Had forwarded the proposal for disbursement of the remuneration amount to the petitioner. In respect of petitioner to the Chief Executive Officer, Sri Bhumi Zilla Parishad. Full stop. The Chief Executive, within bracket, respondent 5. The respondent of 5 had in turn forwarded the matter to the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Assam. The respondent, within bracket, respondent number 3. On 29/7/2024. For taking necessary actions for disbursement of the outstanding remuneration of the petitioner for the period from 1/2/2022 to 1/1/2024, amounting to rupees 1,06,667, as the matter was pending since long time. Today, Mr. S. Dr. Standing House, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, has submitted, on receipt of instruction from the respondent number 3, that the respondent number 3 has forwarded the matter of disbursement of the outstanding remuneration to the state government in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department by an office letter dated 6/8/2026. He has submitted that. In the earlier proposal for final sale sanction sent by the respondent number 3 to the government did not include the case of the petitioner and consequently the remuneration amount outstanding remuneration amount could not be released to the petitioner. By writing to the state government on 6/8/2026, the respondent number 3 has sought further necessary instruction in the matter from the state government, the Panchayat and Rural Development Department. From the materials on record, it has emerged clearly that for serving as a president, Mais Gram, serving as a president or ward member?
President.
As a president of Mais Gaon Panchayat, the petitioner is entitled to receive the amount of rupees 1,06,667 for the period from February 2022
Yes.
to January 2024.
24.
Post op. And it is therefore, post op, it is an obligation on the part of the state respondents to disburse the said amount immediately, post op, having taken into consideration the submission made by the learned counsel for the parties. This petition is disposed of with a direction to the state respondents in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department and the Finance Department, Government of Assam, to bring the process of disbursement of the aforementioned amount of rupees so and so to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from the date of submission of a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number 3. No, it is an inter-party order from the date of this order. From the date of the writ petition. Stands accordingly disposed of.
All right. Alia, please.
Item 6.
May it please your lordship, my lord, before my friend starts, only one instruction I have to place. Your lordship's interim order was taken up to division bench, and the division bench opined in the open court that it is a case of dismissal in 1 minute, but has said that we will defer it up to 30th September and come with the instruction that it has become infructuous. That is what the situation stands.
We don't know.
But that
You
is,
two are
this
there.
is, this is the.
Who is the, who is the, who is the?
Here.
Who is the appellant?
Appellant is my private.
Okay.
Before the division bench. First, the division bench said that you argue on this points which I raised there before the landed single judge. And lastly said on that it is a hot day because there is no AC.
Hot day.
Hot day.
So hot day, the division bench could not hear.
No, actually what better? Everybody was tired.
AC was not working.
He knows.
AC was not working.
But thing is this,
Get it listed on a day when AC was working.
that is.
No, my lord,
That is.
your lordship will
I
decide.
have made more point.
No, 1 minute. My lord, in fact, the instruction is not received. My lord, I will file affidavit. I'll bring on record. Lordship will kindly give me 2 weeks time. In the meantime, I will file. Lordship may issue notice, my lord. Instruction is awaited, my lord. That I did not get it.
Let us hear out Mr. Mahmood.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't have any
If
objection.
your lordship kindly hear, and I also hope that that should be recorded. First thing, we are elected body. As per section 39 of the Cooperative Societies Act, if the AGM is not held before 6 months of the next financial year, the body, the board of directors automatically cancel. Now, in that view, there is a power under section 3(2). There, the power of registrar can be delegated to the journal registrar or any other authority by the government. In this case, there is no clear instruction whether the government empowered the journal registrar, Barak Valley, to exercise the power under section 41(6) of Cooperative Societies Act. Till now, it is not clear. If my learned friend brings any proof, that is another matter. But power is there. Government may entrust power to the other authority. Now, question is this. We were elected in the 2023 for 5 years. That is, our term is till 2028. We hold the first meeting on 28/4/2023.
A meeting is not required. This is basically.
No, I
question
am
of-
submitting.
No, but let
Now,
let
question
me
is
read
this.
the mime order. Then I will.
Only 2 points, man.
Just a minute, so that I can understand your submission.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now, there is a supervising officer, my lord. Supervising officer are meant to instruct and help the board of directors in their functioning. But here the supervising officer did not instruct us properly. We are a new body, mainly
Oh,
illiterate.
those are different things. Those are not into.
No,
those
that is that.
come
that is
on the main issue.
I am
The
coming. I am
law,
coming.
first submission you have made correctly. Now it is for Mr. Talukdar to address on the issue whether that has been delegated or not.
Yes. No,
That is the issue.
no, there is
Now, what is-
another aspect, my lord. Kindly hear me 1
No,
minute.
no, yes.
1 minute. Because the ARC has sent a
Or
proposal.
we can postpone it at 2 o'clock. We'll hear you for the rest of the day.
I am ready.
Ready.
Because we have weapons with our judgment also.
Good judgment is
The
there.
division bench judgment is also there.
Let us not keep others waiting.
Page 38, the order which was before the appellate authority specifically says it was delegated. Page 38.
That is what I recorded.
have
That
said.
is why,
I also,
that
the
is,
power is there.
that is why I asked Mr. Talukdar's assistance.
Yes.
Because you have placed a copy of some notification. Did not.
2012 notification.
No, madam, my submission is 41-6, my lord delegated. There is, my lord, no dispute about that. Since your lordship has raised the issue, whether or not this delegation would party register to, my lord, review the order.
That will not also, that has been also addressed by Supreme Court, that will be another line. Because review has to be by the person.
No, review means, my lord.
In cooperative societies, you might be knowing, once it is delegated to joint register, my tentative view is there. And delegate has passed the order. So virtually it is his own order. But review, which is available under subsection 2 or subsection 3,
Two.
that also must be by the same person who has passed
Absolutely.
the
right.
order. And if it is, the delegate has passed the order, then delegate has to review.
Absolutely, also, you are absolutely correct.
But so far as the appeal is concerned, because here the registrar has perhaps exercised the appeal power.
What is the appeal?
No,
Government
that is
officer, that can will not come
One
into
thing
picture.
perhaps my learned friend do not know.
You have to clarify.
It was referred by government. Lordship, perhaps your not, Lordship is not aware. It was referred by the government. Government sent the letter to the director. We filed appeal before the government. Then government sent it to the registrar. So this is many things that we will disclose today. If your Lordship fix at 2 p.m., I am ready.
2:30.
2:30.
If the other matter is over,
My lord,
other matters are over.
in the meantime, my lord, because in another court I have a matter that will sit after 2 p.m. Let it be on Tuesday, my lord.
Yes, short time, we can dispose of the entire matter.
Yes, yes. That
7
may-
days,
That may be also done.
10 days. Okay,
No, no,
we'll issue notice.
my lord, in the meantime, I will be opportunity to file a rejoinder. if-
Huh. Put it immediately after Independence Day.
My lord, my lord.
And what the division bench has said,
30th September.
30th September. Here is also a question, my lord, whether parallel proceeding, that is also a question that that in my humble understanding.
get it recorded, then I'll say that the
No, that is-
division bench
no,
has said
that I-
that single
I
judge
simply-
cannot.
I simply
Don't
access
make
my-
unnecessary submission. Heard Mr. P.K. Roychuri, Learned Senior Counsel, State by Mr. A.K. Azad, Learned Counsel, but a petition as K. Talukdar. আগৰটো আছে, বাকীখিনি লিখি দিব আগৰখিনি। Mr. Talukdar has sought for further 1 week time to address or to file a counter addressing on the legal issue. And if out of that legal issue, another legal issue if arises, you also address that you have said, which I have,
Regarding review.
yes, you also address that. Right? Because all those are settled in case of registered cooperative societies in 50s and 60s by 5 judges bench, 2, 3, 5 judges bench. That aspect. Once delegate has passed the order is then even if review power is available to the register, that will be passed by that person, same person,
That
not
delegate
registered.
cannot be registered. That delegate,
That
delegate.
I may be correct or wrong, but you address that issue.
And also just regarding appeal, because
Because here, under triple one, the orders are passed. Division may say, in the other one, appeal may not be. May not be,
Yes.
but so
Neither here nor.
neither, so your thing will be by the division means neither here nor there.
That your lordship will verify.
No, I'll not clarify. Bishop and I in the case in your submission, let notice be issued. The notice is made returnable on 24
Well,
24/8/2026. You can also file your affidavit. As so and so appeared accepted, no formal notice, extra copy in 2 working days. Mr. Ajad shall furnish extra requisite number of extra copies or a petition to the landed council for the respondents within 2 working days. Interim order was shall continue.
Item 7.
Maybe 7, 8, 9, and 10 same. Or should I take up item number 8, my lord, first?
First, whether instructions received or not.
Lordship, today morning I got some instructions, my lord. Regarding 3Z, it is mentioned that 3Z has passed and serial numbers have been mentioned.
Continuation of this in the calculations is submitted by the so.
As far as annexures are concerned, my lord, it may not be proper, my lord, because first annexure 1, it is the assessment
Say this is for what? Hussein Ahmed.
Hussein Ali. PZ list is available with my lord.
My lord, what happened? Lordship kindly.
Let us have this.
Sorry.
We need hard copy, my lord. Print out, I could not take better copy.
First, Hussein Ahmed. Hussein Ahmed, what's that?
Serial number 151 in the list.
Huh?
Executive engineers list 151.
15?
151.
154. Oh, 151.
1.
Date.
This is structure.
Resolution of the structure. And there is one.
Where is your house? Any photograph?
No, I have not annexed, my lord. They have admitted the fact that in item number,
No, one by one.
yes,
Don't.
lordship, one by one. Page 35. Page 35, structure building.
One position.
There's a column number. Art. Structures building, yes.
Page 35.
35, annexure 6,
That is position of Patta land.
yes.
Moja. Bari Hussain Ahmed. No, because yesterday also the person is claiming this much, this much, this much. RCC structure, all this, that it is compensation is not paid, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
Then ultimately when photograph came, it is a half constructed RCC building.
Yes.
There is no wall, only the
Plain portion.
plain portion is there. So structure means what structure? Court will be better, will be in a better position if the photograph of the structure is placed. Color. Nowadays it has to be color. Now they have assessed the structure as a Assam type structure. Now you are saying
RCC.
RCC structure.
Yes.
So will be blind. What kind of structure you have constructed? Because yesterday we found out, he said two-storied RCC structure. Then it is found out to be nothing, no walls,
Yes.
only the, what do you call?
Plain.
Plain. So this type, this is difficult
I think.
to understand because they have
Yes,
assessed
yes.
is as an Assam type structure. Thereafter, we asked for a detail. We found out that it is not a completed structure, house structure. So accordingly, we have directed to pay
Yes.
as per the
Existing structure.
existing structure. Now, we have recorded that it is Z+1 residential building. And they have also assessed it as an Assam type house.
Yes.
And serial number 151. Assessed rupees 6,14,785 for Hussain Ahmed, Farooq Ahmed, Rashid Ahmed, Tahir Ahmed.
Yes. Yes.
So structure is assessed. One doubt, you say RCC, they say Assam. But if the structure is assessed, then it is arbitrator for enhancement.
My lord, what happened, my lord, my repetition, what I have challenged. I'm on, my lord, 3G1 and 3G3. That 3G1, where any land is acquired under this act, there shall be paid an amount which shall be determined by an order of the competent authority. So my first respectful submission is that, my lord, they have not communicated any order by the competent authority, my lord. 1. And 3, my lord.
Okay, the
Sub- Subsection 3, yes. Subsection 3, before proceeding to determine the amount under subsection 1 or subsection 2, the competent authority shall give a public notice published in 2 local newspaper, one of which will be in a vernacular language inviting claims and from the person interested in the land to be acquired.
So you want to say subsection 3 is not followed?
Not followed. A hearing.
Yes. Right.
And subsection, yes.
And again, like that, you'll be running a risk. I will impose cost because most of the time I have found competent authority publishes notice in the newspapers. They normally do not fail. Now, if you are going in that line, you'll be also running a risk for wasting the time of the court. I'll again impose cost.
Yes.
If Kala comes out with newspapers, I'll issue note. I'll ask Kala to publish
And
bring on record.
So far subsection 1 is concerned, they have not communicated any order. That is,
we can say. But
subsection 1.
Subsection 3, non-compliance, you make specific submission, I will ask them to file that.
I have the instruction on why, my lord. Because thereafter,
because we have seen newspapers on record.
Yeah, my lord, we have filed a complaint in page 37 to the district commissioner, my lord.
You can have this structure, photograph at least.
That I have not.
Please bring on record.
Yes, I'll bring on that.
That will be most
Lordship.
welcome
Lordship.
because structure has been assessed.
Yes. That is that.
But from the photograph,
Yes. ma'am.
all we all can see.
That must be there.
You
That's
must not be also sure.
Yeah, yes. I'm not sure at it. That I'm not sure.
Better to have the photograph because they have assessed it as Assam type house.
Yes.
Because they have assessed RCC type also.
Yes.
And the PWD department building
Yes.
is the best person to judge whether the structure is RCC or Assam type,
Some type, ma'am.
right? Because all RCCs are there.
Yes.
Others are also then various type of.
Short
house.
time, if
Yes.
it, then it will be decided.
Within
If
next
it is Assam type,
yes. Done.
go to the arbitration.
Yes.
If it is RCC, we find that primacy it is RCC, we'll ask them to revisit.
Yes.
And if you insist for 3G3,
Tree.
get the copies of public notice in the newspaper.
Perhaps madam is.
Huh?
given that.
3A copies there.
She's have all the.
These are 3A
she's
and
having all the
3C.
3 copies.
No, 3G3 will be 3G3 will be the will be with the competent authority.
Yes.
Lodge.
Newspaper publications. You can have the names of the newspaper and the issue
Lodge.
Yes.
instead of bringing the copies of the newspaper. Then burden will be on Mr. J.M.A. Chaudhary
Yes.
I'll try. ma'am.
to find out the newspaper.
Lordship. That I'll do, my.
And you
I'm
bring
obliged.
color photocopy of the structure.
Yes. If there is anything, they will get. Lordship will consider. Yes.
If it turns out to be Assam type, right? আগৰখিনি একে থাকিব হা J.M.A. Chaudhary, R. Bora, aforesaid. আৰু
For
N.
PW.
Prohibited, aforesaid, N. Goswami, M. Bormon, Standing Council, PWD, B. Chaudhary.
Is on legs on court.
Yeah. B. Chaudhary. From the Miss Bora and Miss Bormon have submitted, comma, on the basis of the instructions received, comma, apart from the market value of the land, comma, a structure within bracket, Assam type, has also been assessed. A structure, Assam type, standing on the acquired land has also been assessed for Zirat compensation. The petitioner's grievance is that the structure standing on the acquired land is a Z+1
Yes.
RCC building. First off, in order to clear the picture, due to contrary submission made by the learned counsel appearing for the respondent, state respondent, official respondents, Mr. Chaudhary has submitted that he will file an additional affidavit to bring color photograph of the structure standing on the acquired land within a week's time.
Yes.
Within a week's time. Yes, madam. Okay. Miss Bormon has submitted that she'll get the details about the publication of the notice under section 3Z within bracket 3 of the National Highways Act 1956 and the names of the newspapers and the dates of publication of the public notice.
And the order passed under 3G1. The order passed under 3G1, if there is a.
And also the calculation statement passed under of stroke order passed under section 3G bracket 1 of the NH Act. First of. So we can issue notice or what do you say?
Yes, Lordship, please.
Get the list the case again
Yes, on motion rules.
on so and so date. So what is the next case? You can have this instruction,
Lordship. That may
Back.
be marked.
right? Or relevant next case. Next one,
My lord, in this case, my lord, the RCC building.
RCC building.
Photographs is not there, my lord.
But
perhaps
RCC building, just a minute. Joinaluddin, yes, serial number,
The list is.
We have provided for
serial
all
number,
the instructions.
serial number
161.
161.
Perhaps this is RCC building from there.
It's RCC type, my lord.
RCC.
In this case, my lord, in all four items, my lord, I'll file affidavit. Since RCC is shown here, for details I'll have it, my lord.
So, a second contrary submission alage aru. I submitted Oda and so and so. Submitted the structure standing on the acquired land is of RCC type. An amount of rupees 8,68,682 has been assessed for such structure as Zirat compensation. Baki Jamil Chudri, affidavit, color photograph, public notice, M. Borman. Is the case also. Next. Asadur Rahman.
Yes, my lord.
Commercial cum residential structure, grocery shop, boundary wall, water system and wellering.
Yes.
RCC নহয় এইকেইটা কব ইয়াৰ পেৰাটো লিখি দিব পেৰাটো Yes, Joinal Asadur, serial number
149.
Assam type structure, Assam type. Clear black, 82,000.
30.
149.
149.
2,30,000.
50,000.
244.75.
0.75.
Photograph. C. Borua.
In which case, this particular item number 9, this levy the tax number for 39. If we go by this record, his name is not reflected. His name is been not reflected under C8, D or T.
But
I'll give this immediately. Yeah. For nutshell, I'm writing that for you.
Asadur Rahman is there.
Right.
Executive engineer has assessed.
49. এখন executive engineer হচ্ছে কি আছে?
This is our TA, TD, TG Miller.
That has been rectified. I have stated perhaps somewhere.
February 2024.
The possession certificate name is there, page 30.
Possession certificate are not rolled out without, we pay on the basis of TG, which is prepared by the Kala. And Kala prepares on the basis of TA and TD Miller. Is it?
Did you receive any money?
No.
And according to him, Miller, he purchased the land, but his name has been not reflected. Maybe, I'm not that on that. But therefore, he has his prayer I have gone through now. This is to be rectified by Kala. If Kala has rectified or not, thereafter.
File your affidavit and we'll issue notice in this case.
Press
Yes.
TG.
This we cannot decide all these submissions.
Yes, yes.
Item 9. First can लिख दीजिए. Mr. Borua, Standing Counsel, NHAI, and Ms. Borman, NHIDCL. 1 and 5. Junior Government Advocate Assam, for respondent number 347, have sought for and are granted 4 weeks time to file their respective affidavit. Post of issue notice returnable on so and so, as so and so if yet accepted, no formal notice, extra copy within 2 working days. The respondents shall bring on record the calculation statement stroke order passed by the competent authority Kala, as well as the relevant notifications regarding published under the National Highways Act regarding acquisition of the petitioner's plot of land. What about next?
Very same, I can replace this one. This,
Okay.
I will file affidavit together.
Okay, same then.
Yes.
9 and 10 same.
Lots.
Let us try
Yes, that should be clarified.
notice same. 8 rakhilu. 8 rakhilu. 7 and 8 rakhilu. Itu Friday, next Friday or Monday lo video.
Yes, the same.
No, we are fixing dates for 7 and 8.
Yes. 9, 10, my lord, notice will go.
Notice, he'll fix the date.
Notice will.
He'll fix it.
Fine.
He'll give the date.
I'll let you.
Daily list item 11. Item number 11.
Yes, sir.
Right.
From the concerned executive magistrate of the office of the district commissioner.
Yes, my lord. We have filed the application, my lord, page 15.
Before?
Before the district commissioner, my lord. 18/12/2024. Then, my lord, the
At page 15.
page 15, my lord.
Yes, we can,
Thereafter, my lord, the page
since
16.
you have filed a district commissioner before the
Yes.
office, that has been received
Yes.
with acknowledgement under seal and signature. So we can dispose of.
Lordship, which are time frame?
Heard Mr. H.R.
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, Direct Counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. M. Burman, Government Advocate Assam, for all the respondents. Full stop. Para. The petitioner has stated that her husband filed 7 while working in the house of one Vinod Chandra Taluka, a resident of Moni Mota Nagar, within the territorial jurisdiction of Dispur Police Station, Gauhati. Coastal Para. It is a case of a petitioner that in connection with the of the petition's husband, Ali, one, Abdul Samad, lodged a first information report before the officer in charge, Dispur Police Station, on 7/3/2024. In connection with the death of late alia was the said affair has been registered as Dispur Police Station case number. Police Station, UD case number.
35 of 2000.
35
Yes.
stroke 2024 on 7/3/2024, and an investigation was also initiated. First, para. The petitioner has come to learn that after investigation, the investigating officer of Dispur Police Station UD case number 35 stroke 2004 submitted a final report on 22/03/2025, which was received by the Office of the Proceeding Inspector, Kamrup Metro, Gauhati, on 10/4/2025. First up, having come to learn about submission of the final report in connection with Dispur Police Station UD case number 35 stroke 2024, the petitioner filed an application before the respondent number 2, that is the District Commissioner, Kamrup Metro, Gauhati, on 18/12/2024, with a prayer to supply the certified copies of the FIR of Dispur Police Station UD case number 35 stroke 2024, postmortem examination report, final report, and the final report. Extra copy means what? Final report. Final
Extra
report.
copy of CD entry, but
And an extract copy
of CD entry.
of the general diary entry. We take grievance that despite submission of the said application on 18/12/2024, the office of the respondent number 2 has not supplied the copies of the documents asked by the petitioner by his application, by her application dated 18/12/2024. Full stop. It is stated that the application dated 18/12/2024 was duly received by the office of the husband number 2 under seal and signature. Post of para. When the petition was moved on 3/8/2026. State Council was asked to obtain instruction about the authority who issues the certified copies of the FIR, post-mortem examination report, final report, etc. in connection with a case which has been registered as UD within bracket unnatural death. Bracket close. Yes, closed up. Today, Miss Borman seek of instruction from the respondent number 6. Receipt of written instruction from the respondent number 6 has submitted that a competent authority to issue certified copies of the FIR post-mortem examination report, final report and other connected documents in connection with Dispur Police Station UD case number 35/2024 is the office the office of the District Commissioner, Kamrup Metro Gauhati, and four parties. The executive magistrate who has dealt with the matter, right? First of, in view of the above instruction placed before the court, and considering the fact that an application has already been submitted by the petitioner before the respondent number 2 on 18/12/2024, acknowledgement of which, receipt of which was duly acknowledged by the office of the respondent number 2 under its seal and signature, this court, this petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 2 to take the application of the petitioner, application dated 18/12/2024, submitted by the petitioner on board, and thereafter to dispose of the same by furnishing the copies of the documents asked for by the petitioner in her application dated 18/12/2024, within a period of 2 weeks from the date of submission of a copy of this order at his office by the petitioner.
Actually, my lord, 18/8 is fixed the case for evidence, my lord.
18, period of 10 days.
Lodge.
My lord. Obliged.
Item 12.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here in this case, very limited prayer of the petitioner, Lordship, is GST registration has been cancelled. And this show cause notice was issued on 29/5/2025. The GST registration has been cancelled. This is annexure number 2, Lordship. 5/7/25 is the order of cancellation of the registration. And prior to that, annexure 2, page number
11, page 11.
Page 11, Lordship.
Then
Then the next page,
cancellation
5/7/25,
order.
cancellation registration has been cancelled.
You filed a revocation application.
Exactly, Lordship, 24/6/2020.
Let him decide.
Yes, Lordship. I'm ready to pay. Here I have
No,
specifically
let him
mentioned.
decide in accordance with law. Revocation application. We do not
Because-
want the two
because-
parallel proceedings.
Lordships, kindly see the last annexure, annexure number 7, page number 17. Reference to your letter dated 27/2026, this is to inform you that yourself along with tax practitioner appeared before Srimati such and such minor tax Hailakandi unit on dated such and such in connection with the proceedings related to the revocation, restoration of the above mentioned under suo motu cancellation. During the course of the person I was informed by Srimati Kemprai that you were led to know about the legal provisions and procedural requirements governing the suo motu cancellation of registration under the GST law. So this is the response that has been provided, Lordship. This is the response that has been provided, Lordship. No concrete information that whether it has been revoked or they're intending to revoke.
Let him pass the order.
Exactly.
Revocation. There
Yes.
is a provision.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see. GST Act 161 or what? Which provision?
Revocation, Lordship, it will be 20.
Revocation. Section 30.
Yes.
By order. By order, subsection 2.
Yes. Section.
Sitting down, so section 30, he has to pass an order.
He has to pass an order and the hearing was also done. Lordship.
Heard Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Comment was found for all the respondents. Post of para. The petitioner, it is, the petitioner stated that he is the proprietor of firm in the name of Messrs. Shuf Karan Setia. And a firm had obtained registration under the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. Post of. The competent authority had issued the registration certificate in Form GST REG /06 on 1/11/2017 with date of liability from 1/7/2017. Post of. Para. The petitioner was served with a show cause notice in form on 29/5/2025 by the proper officer in Form GST REG 17. To show cause as to why his registration under the CGST Act shall not be cancelled. By the show cause notice, the petitioner was directed to furnish a reply to the reply within a period of 7 working days from the date of service of the notice. Post of. The petitioner's registration was also suspended. WEF 29/05/2025. The petitioner did not, however, submit any reply in response to the so-called notice dated 29/5/2025. Post of. The proper officer had thereafter passed an order on 5/7/2025 cancelling the registration of the petitioner WEF 17/2017 Full stop. Para. After the order dated 5/7/2025, the petitioner submitted an application before the proper officer, that is the respondent number 3, on 24/6/2026, seeking revocation of cancellation of GST registration. Full stop. The application dated notice also. The application dated, along with the application dated 24/6/2026, the petitioner served a legal notice of the proper officer on 24/6/2026. Post of para. On receipt of the application for petition and the legal case, the proper officer has drawn up a proceeding to consider the application for revocation. Post of on 15/7/2026, the proper officer addressed a letter to the petitioner fixing the date of personal hearing on 17/7/2017, 2026. Post of subsequently on after conducting personal on 17/7/2026 and in reference to a letter dated 20/07/2026 of the petitioner, the proper officer by a letter dated 23/7/2026 has informed the petitioner that the GST registration is presently under show moto cancel status due to continuous non-filing of periodic GST returns. Para. Section 30 of the CGST Act has laid down the procedure for revocation of cancellation of registration. Section 30 has provided intersections. 1, 2, 3, 3 subsections are there. Section 32. of the CGST rules 2017. Within time? Within time? Application was within time?
No, period of 30
Lordship.
days. No, that was not within time.
No, and there is time extension, it can permit extension also. 180 days. 15 July 2026.
Almost after 11 months.
Application was 24/6/2026.
Yes, period of occurrence.
Cancellation was on.
As Rule 23 of the CGST rule has laid down the detailed procedure for dealing with an application for revocation. From a combined reading of section 30 of the CGST Act and Rule 23 of the CGST rules, it is evident that the proper officer before whom an application for revocation is filed, has to consider and dispose of such application by passing an order recording regions. Postal. Since it is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that the application for revocation submitted by the petitioner has not yet been disposed of
Exactly.
by the proper officer, this petition is disposed of with a direction to the proper officer, that is the respondent number 3, to consider and dispose of the application submitted by the petitioner for revocation strictly in terms of section 30
Rule 23.
of the CGST Act, read with Rule 23 of the CGST rules as expeditiously as possible, within an outer limit of 15 minutes from the date of submission of this order at his office by the petitioner. Yes, take note. Yes, Mr. Yes, sir.
Item 13.
Lordship, the petitioner,
Similar order is there, otherwise I will not scratch my head.
this is a little different, your lordship.
Not the similar like other one.
Lordship. Lordship, actually, the petitioner have their records reflected in Chitta certificate, which we have annexed in page 13 and 14, your lordship. And despite that, your lordship, the petitioner came to know of a proposal which was made to allot the land to respondent number 5 and 6.
Similar order.
Yeah.
There was somebody else. Your name was there, number of cases.
Or only in one, I think with an IA, your lordship, there was a.
This is very difficult for the court to record 4, 5 in the same order. This, that.
Lordship, this is a differently, they have approached us differently in.
No, but we have passed an order that they wanted to allot the land, somebody else's name.
Lordship.
Some BJ Hajong.
Lordship.
Is he associated with you?
Yes, your lordship.
And then? You are in possession,
Lordship.
right?
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, the proposal this time was made by the circle officer in a meeting, your lordship, conducted by Bilasipada Co-District Land Advisory Committee. We have annexed the minutes of the meeting in annexure 2, page 15 and 16, your lordship, wherein the said proposal was submitted by respondent number 4, your lordship. And your lordship, it is pertinent to note that the name of respondent number 5 also appears in the another proposal, lordship, for another land which has been made. And
Order.
And the said respondents were originally evictees, your lordship, of a land which was given to Assam Power Distribution Company Limited. We have made the statement in page number 5, para 4, your lordship.
In another case of yours, we have passed the order. Somebody,
Your lordship, that was
We-
3691 of
Let us see.
2026.
in favor of these respondents, is it not?
Your lordship, the
Ah.
respondent appears in this one also, your lordship. The same respondent. Land of that petition is also proposed for the same respondent, which is proposed here, your lordship. So the respondent number 5.
So in this case, there were 3 respondents in
Lord.
whose favor the plot of land is
Proposed to be allotted.
being contemplated for allotment
Lordship.
by the Subdivisional Land Advisory Committee, is it
Lord.
not?
Lordship.
So we passed the order. If the same has not been finalized till date, that shall not be finalized, status quo.
Lord.
Is it not?
Lordship.
Then it is similar to this one.
Only the respondent whose name has been proposed here also
That
appears
is a
in that.
different matter. Why should we should stay, correct the name. Correct, delete, keep one petitioner. Keep one respondent instead of 3 respondents. And correct the plots of land.
In this one, right, your lordship? Okay. We'll do it.
Otherwise, it is very difficult. All these zamindar is there and
Your
then.
lordship, actually if I may just bring a clarification that the erstwhile zamindari estates
Is not involved here.
contains a huge plot of land under Gwalpara and Karimganj district, and so a large number of similarly situated persons have been affected and are most likely to approach this honorable court, your lordship. Especially given the
This petitioner's case
lordship.
is similar to that case, except 3 respondents. Here is 1 respondent, private
Lordship.
respondent.
Lordship.
Is it not?
Yes, your lordship.
And same type of decision,
Lordship.
a decision has been, something has been recommended to allot the plot of land in favor of the private respondent.
Lordship.
And according to you, you are in possession of that plot of land,
Yes, your lordship.
right?
Yes, your lordship.
So correct the order.
Lordship,
For interim order has been passed.
yes, your lordship.
Show it to Ms. Bormon.
Of course, sir.
Thereafter, we'll pass the order after some time.
Lordship.
Item 14.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes, lordship, the petitioner is a lordship and owner of a vehicle, lordship, and the same was seized by the forest department, lordship. And subsequently, he was arrested, lordship, on the same day of producing the court below, lordship, he was granted bail, lordship. And after granting bail, lordship, and he preferred a Jimma petition before the CGM Gwalpara. And subsequently, Jimma was granted after perusal the report submitted by the forest department, lordship. And subsequently, lordship, the forest department refused the vehicle to the petitioner, lordship. And again, lordship, the petitioner approached to the CGM and the earlier order was not complied, lordship. And subsequently, 2 order has been passed, lordship, by the CGM, lordship. And first order, lordship, will find page number 30, lordship. Jimma, lordship, granted by the CGM Gwalpara.
Page
30, lordship. Second para, may I read, lordship, for? Second, 30. And the order passed with 1/7/2026, lordship. And middle para, lordship, on perusal of the offense report, it appears that no further investigation, ossification process remains pending, and the investigation has already been completed. In such circumstances, no useful purpose would be served by keeping the seized vehicle in the custody where it is so. So this order has been passed after receiving the report, lordship. And lordship, this order has been lordship not comply by the lordship with the forest department respondent, lordship. And lordship, and subsequently, lordship, and on 13 Lordship, page number 35 Lordship. 9. And 13/7/2026, this order has been passed. Last Lordship, kindly really operating person Lordship, page number 37 Lordship, this order. Last paragraph.
Yes.
And this order, Lordship, and subsequently Lordship, and kindly for a moment Lordship, page number 32 Lordship. Page number 32, extra 7.
Yes.
The submission of submission of report in compliance with these queries, the honorable court regarding seized vehicle bearing registration number so and so Lordship. There are some question put, and last para Lordship, and page number 33. Last para. In view of the ongoing investigation and necessity of the vehicle as materials evidence, it is respectfully submitted that the release the vehicle at this stage may adversely affect the investigation. Therefore, it is humbly prayed before the honorable court that the seized vehicle may not be released until completion of the investigation. So, my lord, otherwise
And this is filed.
this is Lordship, page number 30,
8/6.
Lordship,
On 8/6.
8/6.
Thereafter, this page 30 order has been passed.
First, 17,
17.
Lordship.
So this might
But
have
this
been
is Lordship-
considered, this might have been considered by the court.
Lordship. Consider by the court,
Huh.
Lordship. And Lordship, and another Lordship, page number Lordship 34, the document verification Lordship. And it was conducted on 19/6/2026 by the authorities Lordship. And I have produced all the documents Lordship.
Now,
And-
according to you, vehicle is not released yet.
Not released Lordship. And now Lordship went to page number 38 Lordship. Very unfortunate Lordship. 38 and extra 10. The 38 and last sequence of this last paragraph Lordship. The authorized officer, Divisional Forest Walpara Division, initiated the confiscation proceedings by memo number so and so so and so.
Now, how can you get this copy?
Lordship, this is the certificate Lordship.
No, this is, yes, exactly. This is an official copy, man.
A certified copy? From where?
Certificate Lord.
Address to me, man.
Certificate Lord.
Page 30, there is stamp.
Stamp is there.
Lordship, page 40 Lordship is court field there Lordship.
Page 40?
Lordship. Court fee and certified to be true copy Lordship.
Okay.
So here Lordship, the order is passed on 17
Page,
page
what?
38.
Page 38. What
Lordship.
do you want to show?
So Lordship, here the authorities is reporting to the CGM, and objection is made that they have initiated the confiscation proceeding Lordship.
Which paragraph?
Last para Lordship, page number 38. Last para. And Lordship, kindly come to page number 39. Lordship, and this small 2 lines Lordship. With respect to the subject matter cited above the page number 39 Lordship, the undersigned request you to file a appeal petition before the Honorable Gauhati High Court for objection the Jimma order passed by the learned chief. So, my lord, there is no any provisions to file a appeal.
There is a appeal.
Let me move it.
No, why you starting is unfortunate. You started
Yes,
as
I'm
unfortunate.
coming there.
Don't argue between yourselves.
And this is Lordship, and there is no, I have not find any provision to file appeal Lordship. And another Lordship,
That may be wrong, but he can file definitely a revision.
and Lordship, the page
There
number.
is no bar for filing a revision.
Well,
or
there is the
482.
49C Lordship and Forest Act. There is the specific provision is there, district and session judgment.
Oh,
Lordship.
okay.
And Lordship, kindly come to page number 41, Lordship, annexure 11.
Number?
41.
Ah.
Last para Lordship. in respect of forest protection and considering that the confiscation proceeding is still pending before.
This
the-
man always thinks himself above the judiciary. I have
Lordship.
seen the name.
So, my lord, and the.
I have
forest
seen
and-
the name. I have seen the name now. He thinks always himself to be above the judiciary, mister. If this letter, why contempt proceeding should not be drawn up against him?
We are
By this page 41 letter.
we are in receipt of this letter, my lords. We are contemplating, we are preparing the appeal. My lord, note in this case also, in many cases, my lord, the law is very clear. When confiscation starts, my lord, jurisdiction of the court stops.
But
I know, well, this letter I'm not defending, my lords. I'm not defending this letter.
Mister, but you are defending.
No,
the
I'm not defending
Page
this letter.
38, he has drawn up the proceeding on 2/7/2026.
27.
The order is passed on 1/7/2026.
My lords.
Tell me
I'll go
on
through
it.
I know
That-
serious. I'm not defending anything right now, my lord. Without instruction, I'm not defending anything. Let me have a discussion with them, my lords. Otherwise, my lord, that very.
You have
provision-
every right to draw up confiscation proceeding.
And
But
in many cases, my
whether,
lord,
no,
it
no,
created
no, no,
appeal,
whether.
my lord.
Only issue is that we are not concerned with either the petition or the,
My lords.
but we are only concerned with the rule of law.
My lords.
Just tell me that on 1/7/2026, order for release was passed by a judicial court,
My lords.
right? Then it appears that he has drawn up the proceeding on 2/7.
2/7, my lord.
Huh?
That
On
happened.
that aspect, whether he can retain the vehicle ignoring the code of the judicial magistrate.
My lords.
That is what I want to know. That he can draw the proceeding. Can he delay, whether he has the power thereafter and the audacity to inform the CGM that confiscation proceeding is pending, I will not release the vehicle. And where is the Honorable High Court order or appeal?
No, just a appeal he has written to us, we are preparing it, drafting it.
That whether by that way.
No. I did understand.
By that
I
way.
understand. That I understand.
The order got effective from 1/7/2026. He drew up the proceeding on 7/2026. After the order,
This only
because
came to my
it
notice.
is not
my lord.
an order, perhaps
Take it up in the next week, once. In the
Next
meantime,
party.
my lord, I will.
that
Right.
will not revalidate.
Yes, I understand, my lords. Because in other cases, my lords, in what happens, we have come across many cases, stated appeal, my lord.
No,
those
we have
appeals are
already,
allowed.
we have been finding it repeatedly.
My lords.
This man is thinking himself above the
It's not that
rule
much.
of law.
Yes, my lords.
Above the rule
Let
of
me
law.
come back in next week, my lords.
Perhaps
I'll
he
try to
thinks
counsel.
himself.
I don't know my lord, what he thinks, man. But I'll counsel him. But other cases, my lord, that
No, I have been finding
Yes,
him.
yes.
No, we are not concerned with others.
this matters, my lords. Yes.
Whatever happens, happens. But this man,
I'll counsel him. I'll counsel him.
Friday.
Today
Oh,
is
sorry, today is Monday.
Monday. my lords. But
Mr.
other aspect, my lords,
Third,
that-
Mr. F. Hawk, Learning Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Google, understanding of Forest Department, in order to complete his instructions, has sought for listing of the case on Monday. List the case accordingly.
But other aspects, my lord, that he was submitting, that we want
We want to know, we want to know
about this.
whether he
specific
can
discussion.
defy,
Okay.
whether he can defy the court's order not to release the vehicle.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. I fully appreciate it. Had been the case that on the day of the CGM's order, the confiscation proceeding were pending.
It
that
is not
is
a case
different-
of ex parte order.
That's a different issue altogether, my lord.
It is after hearing both sides.
Yes, on date of hearing, my lord, no confiscation was pending. That I can say.
If he has drawn up, that is a different thing. Then you can confiscate. You can confiscate at the end of the confiscation proceeding, get the vehicle auction and
Yeah,
give
my lords, we have.
the,
we have been doing
the
this, my lords.
auction proceeding into the state
We
exchequer.
have been doing this, my lords, because
You
in
do
many-
it,
In many cases, my
but
lords,
we are on the rule of law.
my lords.
Why this man is found repeatedly violating the court's order,
We'll counsel him, my lords.
or otherwise make him get him ready for Tuesday, personal appearance at 10:30.
My lords. Monday, my lords, I'll.
10:30?
We'll take care, my lords.
Tuesday.
My lord need not address past that order. My lords, by Monday will be bringing some replies, my lords.
This is going beyond
My lords,
control.
my lords,
He is going beyond control now.
my lords.
I will draw up contempt proceeding in view of his writing letter to the CGM at the last stage.
My lords.
Deeply obliged.
78.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 15.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lords.
Counsel him, otherwise he will be in difficulty, in a deep soup.
My lords, I understand, my lords. My lord, but that other aspect, my lords, we have drawn many proceedings.
No,
like this,
no,
my lords.
we are on the rule of law,
My lords, I understand.
defying court's order,
No, yes, my lords.
and this court, under contempt of court act, in violation of subordinate court's order, can draw up contempt proceeding.
My lords, I understand. We'll counsel him, we'll counsel him.
Read.
We'll counsel
The
him.
provisions come prepared
My
to
lords.
rebut.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
May I please your lordship. My lord, the matter relates to sale of land between inter-religious person, my lord. My lord, on medical ground, ultimately we online, as your lordship is aware that we have to make the.
What is your
application.
status?
Status is, my lord.
What
that-
is the service you want to it?
My lord, that
Where is your application? Okay, composite land sale transfer, NOC,
my lord,
NOC,
my lord, ultimately the.
section 21A Registration Act plus all the other formalities.
Yes, ma'am.
It is pending since when? 29/1/2026.
My lord, would your lordship be pleased to see page 36, that is the vernacular. That 18/6/2026, the report from the CEO. Already page 36, that is the vernacular, but I can give it 34, that is the translation.
Read 36.
Yes, madam. This is the, when my application was filed, my lord, first initial application, online application, some technical error of the office. It did not materialize, then I filed the application again. On that, the CEO was asked to submit the report. CEO submitted the report on it.
Whatever, by this notification 99/2025, the period is 1 month only.
1 month, but
That is page 39.
yes, I understand.
Both section 21A
Yes, ma'am.
and this notification, it is incumbent upon the concerned authority to dispose of the entire matter, either allowing the application to pass a speaking order within a period of 30 days. We've been disposing of directing to either to allow or to pass a speaking order in case it is rejected. Because this notification, even if it is inter-religious transfer, these formalities are to be completed in a period of 30 days. Yes, Mr.
Lordship,
Shall we dispose of?
Lordship.
Okay, at 2, dispose of, at 2. Next.
Normally, Lordship, what
Okay,
happens
yeah,
under
next.
such circumstances, it is a duty of the district commissioner to place the same before the nodal officer.
On-
Revenue authority, Lordship. That is at page 38.
Whatever the entire process,
Lordship.
by the
In a period of 30 days.
by the notification dated 9/9/2025,
Lordship.
the entire process
30 days.
is to be completed within 30 days.
30 days.
Lordship.
And plus, it is his statutory duty under section 21A
Lordship.
to complete the process 30 days. Yourself has got the amendment.
Lordship, Lordship, Lordship.
7 of the Service Act.
Hey, I should have. Okay. 2.
Item 16.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, matter pertains to bank phishing, a bank account phishing. matter.
Heard Mr. S.
Yes, Islam.
Islam learned counsel for the petition. First of the petition. Anybody else from the respondent side? Your bank,
No, yeah.
your bank. The the petition has stated that he has been maintaining current bank account number so and so at Gauhati Airport branch, PIP Chowk or Borjhar of the respondent State Bank of India. That is respondent number 4. The petitioner is aggrieved. The petitioner has approached this court stating that the said current account of the petitioner, bank account of the petitioner, has been kept blocked since
Nothing has been provided from the bank account.
kept blocked without any information to the petitioner. Issue notice returnable on so steps upon the respondents by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Much of
11 September. 1109. Item 17.
Lordship, this is a eviction matter. Your Lordship, the petitioners were already evicted. They are from Pasaniapara,
Sim-
Bongora, your Lordship.
Similar orders are passed.
Similar order, yes.
Look at that. This court has passed. What is that?
WBC 1954,
1956.
26.
Heard Mr.
M.A. Chali, your Lordship.
M.A. Chali. Learned counsel for the petitioners.
And thus.
Some for the respondent 1.
4, 5, 6, 7, and 11.
Please say. Who is Union? Anybody Union of India? CGC? Okay. And Border Revenue,
3.
Disaster Management Department 3. Health and Family Welfare? Health and Family Welfare? Elementary Education? Yes. KEDAS. Study Council, Elementary Education Department, that's point number 10. Food and Civil Supplies, Mr. Das.
Yes, ma'am.
Water Resources? Study Council, Water Resources Department for the respondent 12 and 13. PHE? A. Goswami. Learned Council for the respondent number, Standing Council. RR Go, Standing Council, PHE Department for the respondent number 14. Anybody 15? Okay, 12, 13 and 15. Huh?
Well,
14 whole. By Das,
yes, ma'am.
10. So,
If your Lordship,
yes,
if your Lordship permits me, page 17, para 17 for. Says, madam, can I read? That the petitioner respectfully submit that the identity documents are voluminous in nature. In order to avoid unnecessary bulk at the present stage, the petitioner has annexed documents relating to only 5 petitioners to demonstrate their identity and address. Since only 5, my lord, others, it will be difficult on the part of the administration side, my.
Lordship, it can be filed on additional affidavit, your Lordship, if your Lordship allows me.
Otherwise, my lord, all new person may come into entry, my lord.
okay.
Let them file their additional affidavit, my lord.
No, similar orders are passed already.
Yes, your Lordship.
Accept. The petitioners have stated that they are persons Evicted.
Evicted on March, my lord.
Evicted. From, where is that area?
Lordship,
Paragraph?
or Pasania para, your lordship.
Evicted.
Para 10, my lord.
Evicted. On 14/3/2026 and 15/3/2026 at Bongora, Posonia Para, and Islampur. Ajara Revenue Circle and Porlahpari Revenue Circle. On the ground that the areas where the petitioners were in occupation were under
For following all due procedures of law, my lord. Eviction notices are there, they are asked to appear.
that is not the question. They are
Only
seeking
rehabilitation.
some rehabilitation. Whether they are,
Madam, the
because,
only problem is that identity of first, only 5% has been given.
will record your submission. Because Cornell bench has passed an order already.
Or they can do one thing also, my lord, they can file their identity of other person by an additional fee. Then it will be easier for all of us, my lord, from the administration side also, my lord. Otherwise, again, they will come, they have not provided anything. Again, my lord. They can file, it can be listed on Wednesday, my lord.
What identity documents? Let us see their their identity document here. Annexed 5 petitioners, you say.
Page number 81, your lordship, all the documents. It starts from page number 81 and exact 5 yellow.
Tell me, what is your legal right to get rehabilitation? Under which law? Don't say Olga Telis.
All the petitioners are river eroded person,
No,
your
no.
lordship.
Where is the river erosion? That
Yes,
is
your
very
lordship,
standard
certificate
word.
is annexed here.
Where is that?
And
Show us one document. You are river eroded people.
your lordship, you will find it page number 46, your lordship.
Sixty-eight eroded people getting certificate in 2011. All are river eroded people.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, get the certificates.
Yes, we will file an additional affidavit, your lordship.
Get the certificates of river erosion.
Yes.
Then we can
Yes,
ask them
madam.
to examine.
Lordship, it is annexed here.
All
petitioners.
In the
all
meantime,
petitions.
your lordship, notice may be issued, we will file.
All petitioners, because
Not all petitioners.
firstly, your right to be rehabilitated,
Yes, your lordship.
right? একটু বেলেগ নালাগে হব where is the statement that you are river eroded people? Page and paragraph.
Your lordship will find that paragraph 2, your lordship, as
2.
12 page number, your lordship.
All petitioner certificates are annexed.
Darkness, your lordship, 5 annexers have annexed, your lordship.
Get these certificates so that they can also examine.
Your lordship, we will file. a
Because
detailed
right
video.
to rehabilitation may arise from the fact that you are a river erosion affected people, right? Some strangers cannot enter. So please furnish those in a additional affidavit at least at first.
Yes, sir.
So that they can start with the process for identifying whether you belong to a river erosion affected family,
Yes, sir.
right? File the affidavit.
So lordship, in the meantime, notice may be
No,
issued.
file the affidavit. This cannot go on like that. They will be handicapped with their documents. They can start the process after issuing notice to identify.
Yes, sir.
It cannot be that after 6 months you'll file the sum,
No,
then
definitely
they will
we'll
again start the
file-
process. You
After
file the
5
process.
months, 5 months.
Right. File the documents that regarding river erosion affected certificate.
Yes, sir.
Huh? The petitioners have, in paragraph 2 of the petition, the petitioners have stated that they were original residents of Puturi, Simli Tola of Kamrup Rural District, Assam. Under Polakbari Revenue Circle within Kamrup Rural District. And they belong to families of river affected. They belong to river erosion affected families who had lost their ancestral land, homestays, and agricultural holdings due to severe recurring erosion of river Brahmaputra coastal. At Annexer 1, within bracket Koli, to the affidavit in opposition, only a river, river erosion affected certificates regarding river erosion affected family are annexed in respect of only two petitions. How many? You
Five-
know,
So, lordship,
you know. How
five,
many?
5 certificates have been annexed, your lordship.
River erosion
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
They are in-
Ali,
of
Soda
only 5 petitions are annexed. First of, in order to
প্রমাণ হয় যে এইটো দিছে 11, ইয়াতে দিছে 2। Certificate annexer also not the petitioners. Sorobali নাই ইয়াতে।
Lordship, the certificates were issued,
Muslim Ali is also not there.
their ancestors may be there.
So you provide the family trees.
Yes, your lordship. We have filed.
Family
NRC.
tree. No, for each of the petition.
Yes, your lordship. NRC is there.
No, family tree as an annexer,
Okay.
so that they can
Ascertain.
investigate into the matter.
Yes, your.
For consideration of their right to be settled. in government house land. As per Rule 8, small Roman 2, A, small of the settlement rules. The petitions are required file all of the certificates as regards river erosion certificates, certifying that they belong to river erosion affected families and the connected family tree for all the petitions. Such facts are to be brought by way of an additional affidavit as sought for by Mr. So-and-so, raise that case up after filing of the additional affidavit. Immediately after filing of the affidavit, additional affidavit on the above points. You were right. If your river erosion affected family, but there has to be an inquiry.
Yes, sir.
So give us the family tree and the certificate. They can examine the genuineness of the certificate and the family tree.
Yes. Obliged. Item 18.
Yes, may I please the lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner sought some security and protection from the.
Who are you?
My lord.
Huh?
Sarkari bus, my lord,
What do you do?
I am the housewife, my lord.
Housewife.
Yes.
Before whom you have filed for security?
My lord, FIR was lost before the Bilasivara police station, but no action has been taken. Thereafter,
Who is the FIR?
kindly find at page 26, my lord.
26, officer in charge. He did not register. He did
Yes,
not register.
yes, it is not
Okay.
registered.
Then
Then I have filed, it is my brother, younger brother, he is serving.
this is he did not register. Then what happened?
Yes. Thereafter, I have.
Before whom you have approached?
Yes, my brother, that is a younger brother, he is serving in BSF. He had on behalf of us written to the district commissioner as well as
For not registering the FIR.
seeking protection that
What
their
is the
life-
way of providing protection?
My lord,
their lives were.
SSP is there. If not, my lord, they can file a complaint petition before the Honorable CGM court, my lord, Chief Judicial Magistrate.
No. This regarding so far as
Since it is a
non-registration of the FIR,
No.
district commissioner is not the authority.
Not, is not the
Right,
authority.
it is the superintendent of police. So far as the protection regarding protection is concerned,
Yes.
I think there is a security board, I think there is a procedure. What is the office memorandum? The,
SOP is there, my lord. It's
there will be
headed by,
SOP.
IGP.
Find out. Then again, officer in charge.
My lord.
Request for welfare to relative. To
Yes.
whom? Deputy commissioner.
Yes. And
Then deputy
appeal
commissioner.
to the SP of.
Deputy commissioner.
OC is not made a party. OC is also necessary.
OT is not a party. SP is a party.
SP is
SP is a party.
Yeah.
Did you approach?
My lord, I have, it is,
Did you approach SP? Yes or no?
no, my copy was sent, copy
Oh.
was sent.
That is not it.
Not
You
directly.
can send it to the Prime Minister President also.
My lord. Directly not approached, my lord.
Then have you approached the judicial magistrate for non-registration?
No, my lord,
Then
that is not done.
If I'm not wrong, my lord, this still
and get
covered.
the SOP also.
Right.
That for police protection. Police protection.
SOP, my lord.
Huh?
Order has been
This
passed, my
local
lord.
police station.
If I'm not forgotten, Dulu Ahmed and others, my lord. 2375. Regarding, my lord.
Police protection from whom?
From police station, local police station.
Local police station.
Yes, seeking, my lord, since
It's like
serious apprehension is there.
PSO.
because
It's
It's like an PSO, my lord.
In whatever
Personal-
manner a protection is needed, my lord, maybe PSO or a regular vigil in any way, because of my life and my family's entire life is endangered by the private respondents I have enumerated in my petition. So, and also I have given a CCTV footage that they are, my lord, roaming in and around of my house with the dao and lathis, etc., my lord. So,
Get the FIR registered.
my lord.
If you have such apprehension,
My lord.
why you are not taking steps from your side?
That
superintendent of police, thereafter judicial magistrate. That is the law.
that is a lapse, my lord. Otherwise,
Then why for
for
lapse?
the-
Why one should be?
Bilasipara police station they post.
আইনাখন পাছ কৰিব লাগিব আইনাখন যে পাছ কৰিছিলো এটা লম্বা যে হেৰিটা যে আমাৰ ওকে টু উইল পাছ দা অৰ্ডাৰ
My lord, it will cover the case of my lord Sakeri Basu, para 27.
that will cover regarding police protection.
Withdraw koriba. Withdraw koriba.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. and Mr. Ken Das, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respond number 125. Post of having regard to the issues raised in this writ petition preferred under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the writ petition is taken up for final consideration at the motion stage itself, finding no necessity to issue any notice to the respondent number 628, in view of the order to be passed. Post of. The petitioner has stated that she is a widow residing at village Anandanagar, Bilakipara, district Dhubri, along with her 3 children. First of, it is stated that the husband of the petitioner, late Jamal Ali SK, died on 22/10/2021, leaving the petitioner and her children to support and protect them on their own. Full stop. It is stated that late Jamal Ali SK owned and possessed a number of landed properties, residential houses, ponds, etc. Full stop. After his death, the respondent number 6, who is a brother of late Jamal Ali SK, along with his 6 sons, started harassing the petitioner's family with an aim to grab the landed properties. Full stop. It is mentioned that the state respondents are repeatedly threatening the petitioner and the family members to vacate the landed properties so that the state respondents can illegally and forcibly occupy the landed properties. Full stop. Aggrieved by such actions on the part of the state respondents, the petitioner instituted a title suit, title suit number 117/2025 before the Court of Learned Civil Judge, Junior Division, Bilakipara, Thuguri, against the state respondents as defendants. And the state title suit is presently pending before the trial court. Post of. Where it is further stated that due to repeated threats emanating from the private respondents, the petitioner's son lodged a first information report before the officer in charge Bilakipara Police Station on 2/7/2026. Full stop. Though after receipt of the FIR, police personnel visited the place of occurrence, no effective legal action was taken against the accused persons named in the FIR. Full stop. The police did not even register the FIR. Full stop. Thereafter, a family member of the petitioner submitted a representation before the respondent number 5 on 7/2026, seeking an immediate inquiry into the matter and to extend police protection to the family of the petitioner for safeguarding the lives and the landed properties. Full stop. Para. In the state petition, the petitioner has inter sought for a direction to the sought for a direction in the nature of mandamus to the respondent authorities to conduct a fair, impartial and expeditious investigation into the FIR, already lodged by the petitioner's son, and to provide immediate and adequate police protection to the petitioner's family. So, a direction has also been sought for supervision, personal supervision of the respondent number 3 into the investigation and to ensure safety and security of the petitioner's family. Full stop. Para Mr. Das Lanet, Junior Government Advocate appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that if the FIR stated to have been filed before the officer in charge, Bilaki Para Police Station, on 2/7/2026 has not been registered till date, the petitioner stroke the informant ought to have approached the jurisdictional superintendent of police, that is, the respondent number 3, full stop. And if no effective action is taken on the FIR by the respondent number 3, the petitioner stroke informant would have approached the jurisdictional magistrates as per the provisions of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Honita 2023. Post up, instead of approaching the said authorities, at first the petitioner has approached this court, invoking the extraordinary jurisdiction of this court under Article 226 of the Constitution. Post up, it is his submission that when there is an effective, adequate, and statutory remedy is available, the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, like the present one, is not to be entertained. So he has further submitted that the petitioner seeking protection with sectional superintendent of police, who, after assessing the threat perception, would have taken an appropriate decision in the matter. First of para. Seven. Eight. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. From the pleaded case of the petitioner, it has not emerged that the petitioner stroke informant had, at any point of time after 2/7/2026, approached the jurisdictional superintendent of police and stroke or the jurisdictional magistrate seeking registration of the FIR. Post up. A prayer made in this writ petition is for a direction to the responding authorities to register the affair and to cause a fair, impartial and expeditious investigation into the affair without any previous approach to the jurisdictional superintendent of police and the jurisdictional magistrate to avail the statutory remedy available under the law. Without availing such statutory remedy provided under the BNSS, the petitioner has directly invoked the jurisdiction of this court with the following prayers. Thus, in the considered view of this court, such a recourse to writ proceeding in the first instance is contrary to the settled principles of law. As regards the other direction for providing police protection to the family of the petitioner and the landed properties, this court is of the considered view that from the materials on record, a petitioner has not been able to make out a prima facie case for such direction in the absence of due to failure on her part to take recourse under the as part of statutory procedure in view of the settled position of law, as outlined above, and the fact situation obtained in this case, this court finds the present petition as one which is not to be entertained. While not entertaining the present petition, it is observed that the petitioner, as an aggrieved person, has the liberty to avail the remedy under the BNSS by approaching the jurisdictional magistrate under section 173(4), read with section 173(5) BNSS by following due procedure and formalities as laid down in those provisions. It is further observed that none of the observations made herein above shall be construed as observations or an expression of opinion on the merits of the case or as to whether or not the facts disclose the commission of any criminal offense.
May I please? My lord, in this case, my lord, the allotment order in favor of the petitioner has been cancelled without giving any opportunity of hearing to the petitioners. Now,
When? Let us see.
Yes. The impugn order, my lord. Impugn order, lordship will find at page 76. Operative part, my lord, 77.
Allotment certificate to periodic patta. Under process.
Yes, that is under process, final order sent to ADC, DC for final order. Now, subsequently, lordship will find.
You approach this court or what?
Speaking order at page 66, lordship will find.
66.
66. This is my lord, one of the order, though we have not been furnished the my lord, impugn order, some other person whose allotment also cancelled, they have been furnished.
You are 9 petitioners.
Yes, 9 petitioners.
So have you annexed your speaking orders?
Our speaking order is not furnished to us. So we could not uphold, my lord. Now, my
Where
lord,
from you are knowing that your speaking orders have been, or your applications have been rejected?
my lord, randomly, my lord, all allotment order has been cancelled. Since,
But this speaking order
yes,
mentions something. It is not a cryptic or non-speaking order.
yes. Now, last line, lordship will find, last
Page
line,
66.
page 66. Whereas the undersigned has already verified and report of the LR and found that the LOT has been occupying the land without any bona fide interest and already rejected the petition under mission Bosundara so and so, the allotment certificate henceforth may be cancelled. That is the wording, my lord.
He is a
Now-
petitioner. This Hanif Ali is a
No,
petitioner.
no, Hannibal is not the petitioner.
Then
Similarly situated person. Now, having, my lord, seen the situation, my lord, we have filed an appeal before the appellate authority. Lordship, kindly see page 82. Page 82.
yes.
Is the, my lord, competent authority that is pending. Now, identical issue, your lordship was, my lord, pleased to deal with the matter, and some similar order has been passed. At page 90, my lord. Exactly, my lord, cover case. From same area, my lord. Page 90 of party part, my lord, page 91. Lordship was pleased to direct the petitioner to, my lord, move before the Director of Land Records.
But question is whether speaking orders have been passed. What is the appeal? Let us see.
Yes.
So and so.
Appeal, my lord, page 82.
What was your RT?
Page 82. Page 82.
Appeal, you have to challenge some order, my lord.
No. Where is the acknowledgement generation?
Lord,
Applications.
Page 82.
No, applications are received. They used to generate an order. Because Mr. Das, if within the delivery period,
Yes, ma'am.
order is not passed, then
Yes,
also an appeal lies.
appeal license. Yes, ma'am.
Where have you stated that? Have you stated that their applications are not yet rejected, or no final order has been passed? Have you stated?
We have stated that our allotment has been cancelled, but the cancellation order has not furnished to us. But similarly situated persons, they have been furnished.
So you have come to learn,
Yes,
but you have not seen
we have not seen.
that your application is
Yes.
rejected.
Because the land is already occupied by the APTCL, has been
Okay,
allotted to
okay.
the APTCL.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Ma'am, I'll get the instruction on this.
Right.
Regarding this,
Madam, you also get the instruction whether DLR has proceeded with the appeal or not. And from rejected public servant, you find out
whether appeal has been rejected or not.
if appeal is rejected, then
Speaking order.
speaking orders. Then they can make specific challenge to that.
Yes.
Otherwise, they are in limbo,
Yes.
neither here nor there.
Well,
Even if delivery is not extended,
Speaking order passed.
an
by
appeal is maintainable. It is your statute. You have filed your application properly.
yes.
Okay, heard Mr. M.U. Mondal and counsel for the petitioners. Miss. Mr. N.J. Endas, Sunigaman, Assam for the number 1, 3, 4,
5 and 8.
5, and 8. And Miss N. Bodole, and Standing Counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respond number 2. APT Selhum S. Borua on behalf of Disaster and Standing Counsel. petition for the respondent number 6-7. Oh, Ms. Bordolo is also 2 and 9. Post of. The main two grievances of the petitioners is that they submitted applications under Assam Right to Public Services Act for the notified public service code, allotment certificate to periodic patta, unquote. One application?
Only one application for. Applicant name is Nila Bhanu Beva, but he's not a petitioner, my lord. He's not a petitioner, but he's one of the. How can I get my lord the now status?
In the appeal, have you mentioned any application number?
Appeal, my lord, page 82.
You have only one.
One. Since no order has been furnished to us, my lord, we have relied on order.
Any application number for all 9?
On the acknowledgement, that is not there, my lord. It will very difficult on my part to get that. It's totally. Yes, we'll furnish the, my lord, acknowledgement, the RTPS acknowledgement.
You get its
Yes.
numbers at least.
Yes, yes.
Numbers from 1 to 9, all the petitioners.
Yes, my lord, Nilabanu Benu Beva. Yes, we'll furnish.
Otherwise, that proverb will be applicable. Mr. Das has to be Hanuman. That tree Ram asked to bring. And Das as Hanuman has to bring all the applications before the court. Get the 9 numbers.
Yes, we'll furnish, my lord. We'll furnish.
Mr.
My lord, by way of additional affidavit.
Mr. Mondol and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioners will file an additional affidavit giving the details of the applications they had submitted for delivery of the notified public service allotment.
This is not allotment, my lord. This is regarding application for periodic patta from allotment certificate.
Allotment certificate to periodic patta.
Yes.
Affidavit. Release the case immediately after filing of such affidavit in the motion column.
After 7 days, my lord.
Okay. Release the case after 7 days if the affidavit, additional affidavit is filed in the meantime.
Obliged.
Item 20.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, petitioner has filed a representation paying for PSO, your lordship. That was not possible. Annexure 2, page number 20, your lordship. On 6/4/2026, Annexure 2, page number 20. He filed a representation before the Inspector General of Police Security, your lordship. In this connection, I request you kindly to provide me a full-time security as a.
Who is he?
Lordship, he is a journalist and social activist, your lordship. And pursuant to that, your lordship, Annexure 3, page number 22, your lordship. Let me read. Page number 22, your lordship.
I have seen.
22.
It will issue notice.
This is, there should be some threat perception, my lord. There is also a standard operating.
Right, government now in the Home and Political Department has provided a matter to the Special Additional Director General Police.
I'll get it.
Will issue notice, heard Mr. As counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. And us, Learned Junior Advocate Assam, for all the respondents.
All multiple.
Post of. the petition seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to provide a personal security officer due to for a threat perception. The petition has preferred this in petition issue notice returnable 4 weeks. As Mr. Das has appeared accepted, no formal notice, extra copies within 3 working days complete.
Obliged. 21.
Number no.
Mulata, this is regarding also Mulata.
Same.
RTPS, not, this is not the same Mulata, slightly different Mulata. Lordship kindly see the Mulata, one of the input order we have annexed Mulata, page 30. Page 30 Mulata.
What is the service settlement of khas?
Yes. Page 30 Lordship will find. This is Mulata, petition number 3, Baharun Nasa.
Allowed or rejected?
Rejected Mulata.
All rejected?
Page 31, yes. Lordship will
All
find.
rejected. Yesterday we have disposed, I think.
Yes, yes.
Commissioner and secretary.
It was rejected by the DLR.
Huh?
Lordship will find page 31.
31.
Yes. Last column Lordship will find
Government
rejected DLR. Then again, it has been written forwarded to the citizens for submission of the justification, correction, if any.
Page?
Page 31. 3-1, madam. Last column.
Appeal question নাই
Appeal codes.
করেছে
Now, who is the appellate authority?
Page 36 is the appeal. madam.
settlement of government and
No,
cost,
no,
my
this
lord.
one,
Commissioner secretary man.
yesterday something,
Yes, yes.
your
Yes,
case
appeal authority,
only,
Yes, there was a notification.
commissioner secretary, revenue department.
Yes. But here, Mulad, they have given appeal before the DLR.
23 টা দিছে
No, before that, DC already rejected. Rejected, DC also rejected.
Yes.
5/4/2000. When did you prefer the appeal?
Appeal on Mulad 14/7/2026.
কালকে অর্ডার ছিল না তুমি মানলি না
সবরে রিজেক্ট কোয়া নাই আপনি দিয়া নাই সবরে রিজেক্ট না again it will be difficult again my lord not all documents are not there my lord
Example, Mulad, one of the Mulad rejection order has been Mulad.
better you give the application number,
Yes.
all the in any statement, otherwise
let him come by an additional affidavit
Now, Mulad, what I
then
am
we
telling,
can
Mulad,
specifically dispose of your case with a specific direction.
yes.
It is very difficult. Somebody stranger also
Yes, my lord.
gets included there, and manpower will be involved. Get the just a table.
Yeah.
Table. Petition number 1, application number so and so, date of rejection so and so.
Yes, that
One
can-
page.
That can.
Make a statement on what? Giving the petition number, application number,
Yes,
and date of rejection.
I understood.
acknowledgement number মানে reference number
That application number will do also.
reference number
A reference number, application reference number.
They'll file an additional affidavit.
That will be,
That is the, that will be better. RTPS.
yes yes এখন ফাইল করুন
I heard Mr. M.U. Mondal, why it is Ahmed?
Sometime, Mulad.
M.U. Mondal, Learned Counsel for the petitions. Mr. Endas, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Bodoloi, 2, 9. And I go to instance, Porua. Huh? The Land Council for the official respondents have submitted that the details of the application of the 23 petitioners and the submitted by them for delivery of the notified public service, comma quote, settlement of khas and stealing surplus land, unquote, and the dates and the respective dates of rejection of their applications are not mentioned in the petition. Post of, they have submitted that without such details, it will be difficult for them to obtain the necessary instructions. Post of Mr. Mondal, Land Council for the petitioner, has submitted that he will bring on record the details of the 23 petitioners' application with application reference number and the dates of rejection of their application by way of an affidavit within a week's time. Similarly,
After 7 days.
this is the case after 7 days. Get in a chart at least, if you
Yes.
don't have the number, get the number so that we can ask you to. Ekon notification lage je di dibo.
Supplementary list, item 30.
Revenue Department, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the response number 9. Ms. Bodoloi, now it is buck stops at you. In this case, go through the previous order. Issue notice returnable on so-and-so as so-and-so appears accepted. No formal notice, extra copies within 2 working days. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of this.
14 September, 1409. Item 31,